Well, hi, Fred. What do you want to tell us tonight?
I want to tell us that Etzioni is a bad guy.
He is?
Uh-huh. He climbs up the tower, so he's the yucky villain.
Yeah, and where does he live?
And the bad guy city.
Where's that?
Far, far away, and Freddy City.
Yeah? Is it called DC?
No, it's called Batman.
Oh, okay. And so, are you going to go get Etzioni and stop that evil bad guy?
Uh-huh.
And who's going with you?
Tomas.
And you're going to stop him, right?
Yeah.
You're going to save the people?
Yeah.
You're going to bring back freedom
Uh-huh.
and prosperity
Uh-huh.
and happiness
Uh-huh.
and hope?
Uh-huh.
All right. Are you going to run for president?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah, to drive, you could buy a biggest Batman car for me.
I could. And then you could drive the Batman car to D.C.
Uh-huh.
to see Etzioni?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Do you want to give him a ride in your car?
No, he's a bad guy. He's the Yankee villain to climb up the tower, so he's a bad guy.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Fred. You've been very helpful. Good luck on your quest. Right?
Wait.
See ya.